इग्नोर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइजेस, क्योंकि फ़ैन के बिना एक मिनट भी टिक नहीं पा रहे हैं हम इधर. I'll try and cut out the noise as much as possible, but a few very quick things. Number A, I shot a vlog the last week. I thought of posting it, and so I just put it on my editing app and then doing the stuff. But after, when I will be just transferring those things to my computer or my laptop, I realized that most of the clips have been deleted due to storage issues or something. I don't know. I was still hopeful that with the rest of the vlogs or the rest of the clips, I could do something out of it. I tried that. I did that, and then my laptop crashed out because there I couldn't segregate the videos which I did cut and which I did edited. तो वो segregate नहीं हुआ. I couldn't record any voice क्योंकि my voice was not audible. And उसके साथ साथ the गर्मी over here, it's touching 40-42 degrees, but it just feels like 52 degrees. I don't know what is this मैथमेटिक्स. आई कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड, बट हाँ बहुत गर्मी है. तो उसके साथ पढ़ाई तो नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि फ्रेशर्स आने वाला है, उसके लिए पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है. गर्मी के वजह से कुछ करने का मन नहीं आ रहा है. 15 जून से सेमिस्टर्स है. नो नथिंग अबाउट इट, वेयर टू स्टार्ट, व्हाट टू डू. एंड उसके साथ साथ आई गॉट माई पीरियड, सो क्रैम्प्स, गर्मी, क्रेविंग्स एंड नहीं पढ़ने का मन, एवरीथिंग टुगेदर इज समिंग अप. तो आई थॉट कि आई विल restart this vlog, and basically yes, so I'm back here, not giving up, and I think that is the most for now the most best thing, or like the best thing to do. So it's like the best thing to do for now, and that is the reason I'm back here shooting another vlog. This will be a vlog of one day, or one one segment of a day, you can say. So yeah, stay tuned. This vlog is about how I spend my day after my classes get over. I usually like to keep it light, but yes, this routine varies a lot. This generally includes me winding down and trying to be productive at the same time, but obviously it's not always possible. So I try my best so that I can remain calm and quiet for the rest of the day. This book I am reading is currently my favorite because I got this book few days back. It's called It's Okay by Jaya Kishori, and I feel it just brings me back to the space I belong to, and reading usually calms my mind. So yeah, that was what I was doing. After that, I decided to boil some eggs before I could start studying. These days I am focusing on completing the video lectures of whatever we have for our semester examinations, mainly for pathology and pharmacology, because microbiology, it is not possible for me at this point of time to complete the video lectures and then do the textbooks. No. So I'm trying my best so that I can at least complete the lectures of pharma and patho. It's huge. Then I had my eggs. I did not have a proper lunch because of the heat here. It's very hot. So I decided to just have to boiled eggs, and that's it. उसके बाद I made some tea for myself. I usually like to have black tea without sugar, and that is what I have always. There's no alternative. So I munched on some soya sticks while again reading this book, because as I said, I am just addicted to this book at this point of time, and also I just feel peace while I'm reading this. So I was completing this, and then I had a short study session after that, because I was planning to go out because इतना गर्मी है इधर, रूम में बैठा नहीं जा रहा है. तो बिफोर दैट आई थॉट कि चलो कुछ पढ़ लेते हैं, एंड दैट व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग द होल डे, लाइक स्टडिंग, so that I can do something else. I did not record when I went out. After coming back, I had my dinner, which was brought from the boys' hostel का mess, because हमारा hostel mess भी बंद हो चुका है. Yes, it's tough. So I ended the day with brownies with coconut ice cream. I know it is a very, very, very weird combination, but for some reason I liked it. I ordered this brownie from Blinkit and I had some coconut ice cream left and I just had it. Uske baad I started studying, like completing the lecture I was doing before I went out, and that's it. I just had my brownie, I completed my studying, and then I prepared my breakfast, which is usually overnight oats, but yeah, again I forgot to shoot it. So yes, that's how I call it off a day.